Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your Firebase project, an app so dynamic links behave predictably. Add your app's package or bundle ID and include SHA1 for Android builds. This ensures deep linking and authentication work. Once done, enable dynamic links in the console and choose or confirm a domain like your app. Page. Link. Now configure the iOS and Android app entries in the project settings so the system can resolve incoming links to the correct app contexts and user flows. Now build dynamic link payloads that carry target destinations and metadata. Use the long link format with parameters like appin Android package, iBuy iOS bundle, ifl iOS fallback, awful web fallback, sent title and SD description so the link adapts across platforms. Once you understand parameters, generate short links via the console, SDK methods, or the REST API for automation. Make sure to test each generated link on real devices to validate universal links and intent fallbacks behave as intended. Finish by wiring link delivery into app navigation and analytics. In Android, handle intents and query intent extras. In iOS, implement continue user activity and handle incoming URL contexts. Once linked, read deep link parameters on launch to route users and record attribution events so conversions are tracked. If things fail, verify your Apple App Site Association and asset links. JSON files. Confirm SHA1 and bundle ID match, and recheck domain configuration. Often a misconfigured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.